Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to show storage capacity in Yahoo Mail on your computer. Now, the first thing I want you to do is, of course, log in to Yahoo Mail. As you can see, I am actually logged in. And now what I want you to do is just come at the top right. You will see right here it says settings and there's a gear cog, right? I want you to go ahead and click on this option right here and then click on more settings. It's next to these three dots. So I want you to click on it. And then if you notice here at the bottom left, it says how much storage I have, 1 TB, and what percentage is used. So currently I've used none, and this is all you have to do. You can see the storage capacity right here. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.